Welcome to this video on components of an electric vehicle. In this video I am going to show you the theory to practical scenario of how to convert the theoretical aspects into practical aspect of an electric bike or an electric vehicle. So let us look at that. Let's move on forward. Let us look at that. In this last lecture, I have expressed about the components of an electric vehicle. The three major components were batteries, electric motors, power electronic circuits with controllers like DC-DC controller. I have discussed an overview of that. So these were the three main components: batteries, electric motors and power electronic circuits. What I have over this is nothing but here I have got two batteries, two different batteries. You can see 12 volts, 12 amperes. So if these batteries are connected in a series, then current remains 12 amps, but voltage becomes 12 plus 12, 24 volts. So now these are the motors. So this motor is like a permanent magnet DC motor, PMDC motor, which can be fixed in tires with this gearing mechanism. So this you can see very clearly. These are the motors which can be fixed, and we will calculate its weight and size shortly. We will calculate its weight, size and other calculations we will see in the upcoming lectures. This is another motor, okay, which can be fixed in the back wheel with it is having very high torque, high torque response. So this has inbuilt one switch as a DC-DC converter for boosting or bucking of the voltage, with which the speed of the motor can be changed. Okay, so that's using PWM switching of the switch of a DC-DC converter, which can connect the battery and the load, that is the motor in this case. This is a throttle. This is something like to vary the speed of the motor. So we can vary the speed of the motor using these throttles, and there are two throttles, two different types. We can see motor, power electronics controller, battery and throttle are the components of the kit. We are using PMDC motor, one type of motor. We are saying PMDC kit. Now let us look at the setup with the vehicle part. What all we have got for the vehicle part. Let us look at the setup, how our vehicle looks with this setup. These are the two batteries packed in one package. Two batteries packed in one package. Here is the motor which is fixed. In this case I am considering only the motor for the back side wheel, not for the front side wheel. Okay, this is just a example. So we are showing one practical example how your cycle looks like with a controller over there with all the connections to the battery and the motor, completely electric. Finally, now I can say that it's an electric test ride. You can see how this bike is running completely electric. The maximum speed is 25 km/h for cycles as per the government rule. You can see that. So look at the ride, electric test ride. Observe this, all of you. The load capacity is 150 kg. Two people can also sit on one cycle up to 150 kg and it can run smoothly. These are the throttles. You can see left and right, the throttles which are fixed on the handle which I was talking about. A big thank you to all. See you in the next lecture.